Well,
Yeah, well, look at this one over
okay, it's raining now.
here. Hey, bye.
Kansas! Kansas! Here we come! Everyone, it's our third day on the road. We are still here in Denver, Colorado, and we are now going to start traveling again. It's 8:30 here in Colorado.
Yes.
So we are going to try to reach which state today?
Kansas.
Kansas. Okay, so if we reach Kansas tonight, we will stay there.
Probably, we'll try to make to Topeka.
Okay.
Topeka, Kansas.
And I like the weather here in Colorado. It's a little bit cold, but I like it compared to California, where we came from in Yuba City. It's so hot there.
Yeah, it's true.
See the lights, see the party, the organs. Through the cracks, say hello. Little did I. We are now out of Denver, Colorado, but we are still here in Colorado, and there's this beautiful vast land here.
It is beautiful.
I don't know what they are. It's like they are rice fields or whatever. I'll show you. I like it. So I'm thinking that there's maybe a lot of tornadoes here because it's so flat. Sweat until my clothes come off. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, when I'm crazy over you. Oh, oh, oh.
Wheatfield.
Whitfield. This is still in Colorado, and that is a vast wheat field. We are in Strachan, Colorado.
We are. That's a gold mine. Whoever owns that he's sitting on a lot of money.
Let us say gold mine, but those are cows.
Yep.
Oh, welcome to Kansas. We are now in Kansas.
Oh.
Finally. Oh my god, after 2 hours.
Oh
2
my
hours,
gosh,
right?
terrible. Yes.
Oh, welcome to Kansas!
Wow, so
Woo!
happy to be here.
This is Kansas. Welcome to Kansas. We are now in Kansas after 2 hours of driving. So we are now in Colorado, Kansas. This is the first town, right? This is the first town that we are in Kansas. And you can still see the vast wheatland, just like in Colorado. We are now in Kansas! My gosh! This is my fifth.
Yes.
My fifth state. So from California, then Nevada, Utah, Colorado, and I'm in Kansas! Kansas! Here we come! Hello, cows! Hello! This is Goodland, Kansas.
Yeah?
It's like Colorado,
Yeah?
but the road is a little bit better.
Oh,
Because in Colorado, it's bumpy. Even though it's flat, it feels
Terrible.
bumpy. But here, it's smooth. I'm in love with you. They try to pull me away, but they don't know the truth. My heart is crippled by the vein, and I keep on waltzing. You cut me open and down. And that is what they use to water the wheat field.
I think that's corn, babe.
That's corn?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe it is.
Everybody's choking now. The kind of he's told, he don't stack, but he's broke. He's so stacked that he knows when he goes back to his mobile home. That's when it's back to the lab again, yo.
Like if it's 75 miles an hour, if you go 80, they'll pull you over.
I think they're doing a good job.
Huh?
I think they're doing a good job.
Oh, what?
I think they're doing a good job.
Yeah, me too. You don't see that in California though, but the Midwest you do.
We've been driving in Kansas now for 1 hour, and so far I haven't seen a very interesting
Well, you saw like brown cows.
brown. Yeah, except the cows, except the red cows, and the windmill farm. And at least the road is
Smooth.
smooth. Yeah. You look at that. It's so flat. It's just a vast wetland. What are those things?
Hey, those are bales of hay.
And then, what are you going to do with them?
Well, that's what they use for the.
Are you going to feed them to the cows?
Right, exactly.
With your girlfriend. Now we're going so slow. We are. What's the speed limit?
60.
We are driving 60 kilometers per hour.
Miles per hour.
I don't know. I'm sorry, I'm not. I don't know about. I don't know anything about driving. Okay, so we are traveling 60 miles per hour because they closed the part of the road. So there's ongoing construction. There are only 2 lanes. It's surfing.
And I saw it too, but that was a leaf. I saw it like moving, and they're like brown. And they look like a leaf. And I thought, well, it's a leaf, but it's.
Look at the squirrel.
Yeah.
When you wake up and find out what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you can see that, what is that? Why can't you see? You belong with me. Maybe that was a skull.
No.
Is it big?
No, it was. They're very tiny, very small.
Oh, it's a mouse.
No, it's a ground squirrel. I'm from Purdue.
We
I
hit
know
the
it's.
squirrel.
Yeah.
We hit the squirrel and it died.
Yeah.
We killed the squirrel.
Yeah.
We feel so sorry, squirrel. Maybe
Actually,
rest
I
in
don't,
peace.
which is kind of a shame. Maybe I should.
What?
I actually don't feel that bad about it. Maybe I should.
Start the training. Come on, Kansas. I want to see other things.
Yes, Kansas, hurry up and finish so we can
God.
go to Missouri.
And
Although the first part of Missouri is quite boring until we get to the Ozarks.
and I still haven't got a signal. I'm actually using Mobile Mint, owned by who's that guy?
Oh,
Richard Reynolds.
Reynolds, yes.
Yeah. And I think it's not working here in Kansas. This is Kansas. Everything that we see is
Corn.
yeah,
Well-
cornfield, wheat field. But they have smooth road.
It's nice and flat too.
And we're still in Kansas. It's almost 1 and we don't know how long we're going to drive before we reach Missouri. This is the last state that we have to pass through before we reach Missouri, and I'm hoping to see more beautiful places here in Kansas.
Me too.
I know that there are nice places here, but I want to see them. Oh, I think those. Start ahead. I'm hoping to see a tornado.
It will get very, very still before you when a tornado hits.
Really?
No birds, no wind, nothing.
Jesus is real. I think this state is very religious.
Yeah.
They have a lot of Jesus image on the road and things like that. Jesus is real. Make you back someday to watch you, to guide you into the darkest of your days. Oh, if I could, then I would. I'd go wherever you would go, to Kansas, Missouri. I'd go wherever you would go. Run away from California. Run away from Utah. Oh, but Utah is nice.
That's true.
It's also nice here in Kansas, but I want to see other things.
You will.
And the best thing about Kansas is that they have what's the best thing about Kansas? They have cheap gasoline.
They
gas.
do. They do.
They have cheap gas. They have like
Yeah, it's like
$1.95.
no cheaper.
$1.90.
122.
Oh, $1.22. Oh my God, so cheap compared to California.
Oh, California's like 260.
So we took the opportunity to refill our gas.
Yes, we did.
So cheap. So that's
So cheap.
that's one good thing, nice thing about Yosemite. I thought it's Yosemite. That's one nice thing about Kansas.
Yes.
Something I must live with every day. All the pain I put you through, I'm not around it all away. I'll be the one who catches all your tears, and I do not mystery. I found a reason for me to change who I used to be. We saw the start of a new, and the reason is oh, it's a nice. Oh wow, that was an excuse not to reach the high note. And the reason is you.
Hey. You'll hear sirens that go.
Where did they come from?
There's like siren posts, and they measure like if there's a warning, you'll hear it. And a warning means that there's.
It's already 1:30 and we are in Gorham, Kansas, and it's dark ahead. I'm hoping to see a tornado. I think it's raining, so
But look at those over there to your left. Those are pretty bad.
it's dark. Look at those clouds. And in front of us.
See, like
It's
that,
gonna rain.
like that cloud there. I think we could maybe do the windows, babe. It's 76 degrees right now.
Yeah.
What do you think?
You can turn off the Well,
Yeah, well, look at this one over here,
it's
babe.
like green or something.
Look at these, how low.
They're very low. Okay, it's raining now.
Hey, babe, let's sit down here.
This is Russel, Kansas, and it's raining here. Oh, almost not raining.
I think we'll stop a little bit.
I think we should. We are here in Russel, Kansas, and we're going to stop here for a while and wait for the rain to stop, if it's going to stop. It's shaking. But look at the, oh my god, but the wind so strong.
Woo! Yeah, babe, look it up there. Look at how strong the wind is up there.
Yeah, I can see even here. Like, if you look on the ground. We are still here in Russel, Kansas, and the wind is so strong, so we can't move. We are just staying here. We are in the middle of the storm. Look at the rain. We are here in a restaurant. We're going to take shelter here. Look outside. This is Russel, Kansas, and oh my god, the wind is so strong. I'm worried about tornado. I want to see a tornado, but I'm worried. But the lady said that I don't have to be worried because there's no like a gray and greenish cloud. Oh my. So we are going to eat here at this.
And we're kind of in the middle.
In the
of
middle of it all.
We have a couple of red. Now later on tonight, we're gonna have all this.
What's the green?
Green is just rain.
It's just rain.
Oh.
Yeah, and the red is the hail, tornado.
It's 4:50 here in Russel, Kansas, and it seems like the storm's not going to stop. We're going to drive through Salina, where the storm is hitting hard right now, and so we decided to just stay here tonight because we only have like 445 miles to drive, so we can arrive to Mystery. So we decided to stay here, and we just continue driving tomorrow. And we booked a room at a hotel here in Russel.
We did.
We are going to stay here tonight. We can't drive.
You may have to.
Okay, we initially planned to drive a little bit longer because we only drove for like 340 plus miles today, and it's only 5, but we can't proceed any further because of this strong wind and there's a storm. So we are going to stay here for tonight here in Russel, Kansas. See you tomorrow. Okay, after the rain, oh my god, look at that. It's beautiful sky.